Now we're going to do Flash Basics lesson number 2. And if you go to the website, it'll take you to show CS4 Basics. Again, I didn't create them. They're recommended. I got them from this website. Now I'm only going to show you how to do bounce on and off stage and size. You can go on and do transform and color on your own, easing rotation of your own. What I'm doing is everything that's listed in here. Maybe not in exact 100% order that they have it there, but I'm listing it and showing you how to do it. Now, number one, we're going to start off with a new file, obviously. I'm going to go into my property settings and I'm going to go ahead and change. I actually like the size, so I'll leave it alone. All I'm going to do is change my color. Oh, what the heck. Let's try a really hot pink. I'm going to leave it at 24 frames per second because the more frames per second you have, the smoother your animation ends up being. So that means for every second of animation I want, I have to have a 24 frames minimum. Alright, that's not a problem. Next, I'm going to insert some symbols. The point of symbols is, especially a graphic symbol, is so that you don't have to do the text and break it apart and worry about losing the text. So like if I typed in the bounce and put it in there and I lost it, come on text, it would still be there. It makes it an image instead of a text actually. So, and actually, let's see, I'm going to use white on this one. I'm going to change it to 70. And I don't like that font, so change it to whatever font you like. La 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 la. La 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 la. That works for me. So that's fine. So I've got my bounce, I got my text. So I'm going to click on scene 1 because that's what we have, is scene 1. Now it looks like I've lost everything. If you click on library, there's your bounce. So we're correct. So I'm going to do another symbol. This one's another graphic, and I'm going to call this one on and off because it's going to be on and off stage. Again, I'm going to use my text function and I'm going to type in on and off the stage. I'm going to change the color. Let's see. Go back to my properties so I can see. Let's make this one lime green for heck of it. And I'll use show card. It's fine with me. Back to scene 1. Again, looks like I don't have it, but it's in here. It's in my library. There's my bounce. There's my on and off. Do one more. Again, it's another graphic, and this one's going to be size because we're going to make this one bigger. Text. Again, I'm going to start off and just going to simply put in size. And I'm actually going to change the color to black because I think that'll stand out a little bit better. And let's pick another one. Snap will work for me. Oops, I forgot to highlight that one too. Make it black and snap. And if you get that, where it like goes off a little bit, just get your black arrow and move it around. Okay. Back to scene 1. And again, I still have them. They're all right here in different areas. Now I have only one layer. I'm actually going to right click and insert 2 more layers because I want a different layer for each one of these. As we worked in Pivot, many of you found out that you couldn't move things around because it was layers. You had to keep it all together. Well, when we're working in an animation in Flash, you can do layers, you move things around, you can have multiple scenes and put them in. If the scene doesn't work, you can modify just that scene, etc. So it's a lot more user-friendly once you learn how to do the basics with it. And that's all we're doing right now is learning how to do basic motion tweening. Alright, I'm going to click on bounce. I'm going to grab that bounce graphic and I'm going to drag it and drop it into my storyboard, to my stage here. I'm going to come over to, I don't know, 70 will work for me. Actually 80. Right click, insert keyframe. Notice how it's all highlighted. And then I'm going to highlight it again with my mouse. Insert. You should be able to do a motion tween. If it doesn't give you the arrows, then do a simple classic tween because you need that arrow. Alright, frame 1, we want it over, let's say, here. On frame 80, I want it to end up here. Now let's do a quick control just to see what it looks like. You can do control enter. Now it's not really bouncing, it's just going from one side to the other, correct? So the computer says, okay, if you want me to start here, you want me to end here, then I've got to figure out where do you want me to be in between. Let's go to slide 15, and I'm actually going to move it to here. And let's try 30, and I'll move it to here. And like 45, maybe back there, and 60 here, and one more right there, and on the last one, there's fine. Now notice how it broke it up here in the arrows. It broke it up automatically for me. So let's test the movie. And now we actually have some bouncing going on. Okay? Alright, now we're going to do on and off. So I'm going to click on the on and off, that very first frame. Grab the on and off, drag it in. And I'm actually want it like where it really does come on and off the stage. Again, right click, insert keyframe. Highlight it all. Insert, classic tween, always seems to work for me. Frame 1, I want it to be here off the stage, so I don't even want to see it. Frame 80, I want it completely off the stage. I want it right here at the edge. Alright, so Control Enter, test our movie. And we have exactly what we're supposed to do, on and off the stage, and we have our bounce. Alright, our last one we're going to do is size. I go and click on frame 1, grab the graphic that we created, put it into the stage, and let's put it dead center. Frame 80, right click, insert keyframe. Select it all with your mouse. Insert classic tween, so we have our arrow. This is really good. On frame 1, I actually want it to be a little smaller, so I'm going to transform it a little smaller, like that. Yeah, that works for me, because I want it really small, like right here in the middle. On frame 80, I want it to be really big, and I actually think I'm going to twist the sucker around. I think I'm going to turn it upside down. So upside down, grab my corners, get it centered where it's really, really big. Okay, let's test that movie. Control Enter. And we have our bounce, our on and off the stage, and we have size. So we've done what we're supposed to do. Now we want to save it. And we're going to do Save As, save it to your folder as a Flash document, call it Basics2. So actually, I'm going to show you here mine. Let me map to the drive. I'm going to throw it in here just so you can see. When I go to File, Save As, I'm going to save it as a basic Flash file. My computer, and I'm going to go put it in, I should have a Lesson Flash folder. There we go. And I'll save it as Basic2. And then I also want to publish it, because I want to publish it as a GIF so that I can see this. So, File, Publish Settings. I'm going to click, I don't want those, I just want the GIF. I'm going to click on the folder. I want it to go here, and it's going to be Basics2. And I'm going to click on the GIF option until it's animated. Okay? So all I'm doing is getting a GIF, saving it to my folder. I click to go find my computer where it needs to go, Basics2, and click Publish. Once you've done that, it has automatically published it for you, and you can go check your folder. You can click on my computer and go to that folder, Lesson Flash, and we should now have a Basics2 GIF. And if I click on it, I know it kind of looks funky when it's recording here, but I have it. It's there. It's done. Ta-da! Congratulations. Lesson 2.